youporn.com. From youporn.com, you could go to many other gay porn sites and choose whatever type of gay porn that you wanted just by typing it in the search window. Then you could watch Latino porn, blonde twink teen porn, skinhead porn, biker porn, daddy porn, bear porn, so much porn that you could masturbate for hours and hours and hours. That's right. And you would never, ever, ever get tired of jerking off. You know what I'm saying? Eh?